Chinese turn 208, cross runway 23, taxi Juliet, cross runway 15 left, cross runway 15 right.
Cross runway 23 at the hotel, cross runway 15 left and 15 right, Chinese 208 heavy.
Chinese turn 208, hold short of the Cat 1 line, that's about 800 feet back.
Hold short of Cat 1 and say again, Chinese 208.
Chinese turn 208, that's correct. It's about 800 feet back from the runway if you're not familiar. Switch and monitor tower now 118.7, traffic 4 back, landing.
Okay, monitor 118.7, Chinese 208.
China Eastern 208, contact departure 128.8, once airborne, wind 170 at 9, clear takeoff runway 05.
Level takeoff runway 05, 128, dismay the China Eastern 208 heavy.
Toronto Tower, Emirates 2623, ILS 05.
Emirates 2623 Heavy Tower, winch is 180 at 8, clear to land, runway 05.
Clear to land is 05, Emirates 2623.
Air Canada 81 heavy, coming up a mile and a half of curve, boo.
For Canada 81 Heavy Tower, caution, turbulence behind land at 777, wind is 180 at 9, clear to land, runway 05.
Clear land 05, 81 heavy.